Okay, and the second tag that we are going to discuss right now is or learn about is the A tag, or known as href tag, or a hyperlink tag. We use this tag to put or add a link to any keyword, any image, any buttons, or anything else. If you want to link anything in a web page, you are going to need this A tag. So we will going to use this A tag, but let's first go to W3 School and learn a little bit about this. Okay, I am in W3 School and I have opened the A tag section right here, and they have a very good definition for this. Definition and use: the A tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. Most important attributes of A tag element is the href attributes, which indicates the link destination. Okay, this is kind of a confusion, so I will let me explain a little bit. The A tag is a hyperlink which is going to link this keyword, yeah, this piece of a line or a code or anything or image. This can be a button or anything. Okay, this is going to link it to this web address. Okay, the attribute we are going to use is called href, href, href. Okay, and after that as you can see here is equal to sign, then quotations, start and end, and the browser already know that the href attribute starts here and ends here. So anything that come up between these codes is the link which I need to be opening when someone will click on this link. So how we are going to add it on in our web page? Let's go and see. I will going to add a p tag. Okay, and maybe like my YouTube channel, yeah, video. Okay, I just type this piece of line here, like my YouTube video. So how I can link it, so whenever anyone will click on this and they automatically go to my YouTube video, or my video is automatically liked. So I'm just going to click on create the A tag, and again anything that I create I will must end it. So anything that come up between these will be hyperlink. So for that I'm going to use, I will cut it here and going to paste it here. As you can see, this is my hyperlink. To make it follow a link, I have to do is create an attribute called href. Then I'm going to put is equal to sign, then double quotes, which going to tell the browser that my attribute has started value is between these two quotes. So let's add www.youtube.com and let's save it. And when I will go to my browser and refresh my web page, as you can see right here after the video, like my YouTube video, and then it is telling about the link, and I have done a kind of a mistake here, so I need to add https:/:, and this is very important. So I will click it here and then I will go and refresh, and when I will going to click on it, YouTube will be opening automatically. It's mean the text that I have used there is been letting or telling the user, or forwarding the user to the address or the web page that I want. So it is linking the two pages, YouTube and my web page. So let's talk about a little bit about one more attribute for a tag. This is a very important tag, attribute, and if we go to right here, and it is called the target. Okay, this is very important attribute. So as you can see, when I have clicked on this link right here, like my YouTube video, when I click on this, my web address right here has been changed to youtube.com. It's meant a user have left my website and went into another website. We don't want that. So to fix this issue, we are going to use target attribute, and then underscore blank. And it is self-explaining that how to use a tag. So I'm just going to paste my target attribute, but it will not going to work because I have not added is equal to sign, and after that I have not told the browser that where the code attribute it has started and where it has closed. So by just adding these two codes and this is equal to sign, the code I have copied from the W3 school will work. I'm going to save it right here, and when I go and I will refresh my page and I will click on it, you will notice that that tab is opening in a new tab, and my web page is still open in the user browser. That's I don't want the user to get out of my page immediately. If you have any recommendation or questions, ask me in the comment section and I will sure to reply you. See you in the next video.